Do you know the name of this knock? Most people think it's just a door knocking sound, but nope, actually it is a song. It's a very short one, just few seconds long, but it has some lyrics, there is a beat and there is a melody. The 7-beat rhythm is one of the most famous little jingles in the world. Most likely you heard it in old movies, in cartoons and even as a door knock. And it has a name. It is shave and a haircut, 2 beats. It sounds like that. Shave and a haircut, 2 beats. If you just learned something new and want to know where did it come from, why 2 beats, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Let's go. Now let's talk about where did it come from. This rhythm first appeared in the late 1800s and became super popular as barbershop music in the United States. Back then, this little rhythm became so catchy and popular that it was used as a musical endings. It became so fun and memorable. Next, let's talk about why shave and a haircut. So why those words? Well, barbershop used to be a very popular place to hang out. And getting a shave was a part of everyday's life. And this few seconds long song was so popular, catchy, it was so easy to sing and instantly recognizable. Next, what does 2 beats mean? Now, here's a funny part, 2 beats. What is that? In old American slang, a beat was worth 12.5 cents. Why? Because the dollar was sometimes cut into 8 pieces or bits, so 2 bits equals 25 cents. And guess what? Back in the days, to get a shave, haircut just cost around 25 cents or quarter. So next time you hear shave and a haircut 2 bits, you know it's more than just a knock. It's part of American history, barbershop tradition, and the reminder that shave and a haircut cost around 25 cents or a quarter. Pop culture power. People would knock out this sound on doors, walls and desks because it was so catchy. There is even a page in Wikipedia, you can read it, and let me play the sound for you. Not sure if you will hear it well, but still. Now I want to hear from you, what is the most famous sound in your culture, and we can compare it. Let me know down in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.